Hello. So today we designed an app called Balloon Pop. And in our app, when it's first initialized, as you can see in this piece of code right here, we set all of the balloons so that you cannot see them and that they're not visible, and we assign them a random position on our canvas. So when we initialize the app over here, that is what you'll see. All the balloons have disappeared. So now, when we click the play button, as you can see here, you'll now be able to see all the balloons, and they're randomly positioned in the canvas.
The user interface part of this can be seen when you go to the designer. Here, each one of these balloons is a different sprite, and it's controlled by the blocks. This boy here is a button, and so is the click to play button.
So what happens when you click these buttons, as we already saw, the play button will reassign all these positions and make all the balloons visible again. But when we click the child over here, you see, you'll hear he'll start talking, and he'll say, can you help me find my balloons, which will demonstrate which on the thing. So then also we have it so that when you shake it, you hear this carnival noise. It's basically a bunch of people talking, which we can't shake a virtual phone. You'll see that when we hook up the tablet. And then the other features of our app are when you drag a balloon back to the boy, he'll, well, what will happen is the balloon will no longer be visible, as you can see right here, and then it'll stop all other noises and play this yay sound, and it'll play the yay sound. So you can see that when we drag this purple balloon. And then the other thing that you can see is that when this over here. Oh, and we have this for all of the balloons on the screen, except the problem is that they all look the same, so we collapse these 5 blocks. And then when we touch this balloon, it just pops because you didn't safely return it to the boy, and also does not become visible anymore, like you just saw there. And that, once again, is repeated throughout these other blocks, but you cannot see that because we collapsed them.
So here in the user interface, you can see that it says Balloon Pop, Small Child, Carnival, and Yay, which are our 4 different recordings that happen when you click on different things. If you click on the balloon, you hear the balloon pop. If you click on the child, you hear him talk. If you shake the phone, then you hear the carnival. And if you drag a balloon to him, you hear Yay. And the accelerometer sensor is there so that when you shake the phone, it will play the carnival sound.
Okay, so here is the app. So we're going to just quickly open up our Balloon Pop, which you can see we have a picture for a balloon as our app. So this is the initial screen, and when we click to play, the balloons randomly distribute across the screen. And like we just discussed before, if you drag it, you hear the yay, and if you click it, they pop. And once all of them go away, you can then see how we can click to play and they'll redistribute again. When we shake it, you hear the start of a carnival noise, which is basically people talking at a carnival. And if you click the boy, the noises will stop, as you just saw there. So we can drag some more. And that's our app.